Alright, let's dive into yet another legal showdown in Sri Lanka, the Supreme Court's dismissal of the fundamental rights petition brought against the EPF-ETF. Here's the scoop. The Intercompany Employees Union, led by former MP Vasantha Samarasinghe and several others, took on the government with an FR petition because they weren't too happy with the government's plan to cancel loans from the EPF and ETF in the process of restructuring domestic debt. See, the government wanted to write off some loans it got from other countries, but these countries would only agree to it if the domestic debt of our country was restructured. This meant the government might also write off loans it took from its own people. So the people began to suspect that among the loans the government might cut off, some would be those stashed away in funds like EPF and ETF. The FR petition claims that 20 million workers would face unfair treatment if the government does this. On the flip side, the Deputy Solicitor General, appearing on behalf of the Attorney General and Finance Ministry, said that while the union filing the case didn't have the capacity to bring the action citing an issue in the legal name of the petitioner, the Parliament had already given its thumbs up to the domestic debt restructure plan. The Parliament has the final say in all public finance matters, and according to the Constitution, the Supreme Court did not have the power to intervene in such matters. The union retaliated, saying that the Parliament hadn't really approved this debt restructuring plan when they filed the petition. Finally, after a lot of back and forth, the Supreme Court decided to dismiss the case without a hearing.